সেসব বাইরে
আচ্ছা স্যার নাও
ক্যারি অন এনআইতে বেরোলে আবার জিরো হয়ে যাবে আপনার ক্লিপিংস আমার চাই ক্লিপিংসটা চাই এক নম্বর ले लेता हूं क्लिपिंग्स সেসব বাইরে
আচ্ছা স্যার নাও
ক্যারি অন এনআইতে বেরোলে আবার জিরো হয়ে যাবে আপনার ক্লিপিংস আমার চাই ক্লিপিংসটা চাই এক নম্বর ले लेता हूं क्लिपिंग्स
I can see that people are desperately wanting a change. People are desperately wanting a change. I've come here during 2016 campaign also. But what I find now is people are a lot more openly saying that our difficulties are like this. We need help. We need to have some better administration. They don't say in so many words, but they very clearly say we are not in a better situation. And the response that I'm getting for people, our leaders who are all coming here, is absolutely motivating. And I think Bengal will have a change this time.
Ma'am, the way BJP government always thinking about the women amendment reservation bill also upbringing, but the Mamata Banerjee is saying this is just because of hampering the election. They are doing so. Also, they want to divide Bengal. Their intention is to divide Bengal to bringing up the delimitation bill. How do you see this, such kind of message?
See, I'm not surprised. Mamata Banerjee ji is a lady. She knows the history of women's reservation. 96 onwards we are hearing. 2010 there was an attempt. We couldn't make it at all. And is she suggesting that women have to wait for any longer and she will not cooperate? Let us say that openly. I challenge her. Is she trying to stop the reservation for women and putting fear in the mind of people in Bengal where there is no need for fear? It's a reservation. There will be a delimitation committee. There will be that commission which sits in every state. They will talk with everybody, with all political parties, and then only a call will be taken. So why is the fear? You have a fear about election commission. You have a fear about SIR. You have a fear about parliament. You have fear about every law which is being passed, whereas you don't do anything here. Even if money is sitting in Delhi, you don't use it. What's your idea of governance? Mamata Banerjee, please say that.
Ma'am, also 543 to 843 seats are.
That's that's a cap.
It's a okay.
That is a cap, maximum limit.
Okay.
You can't go beyond that. But for every state, it will be that committee, that delimitation commission for every state, which will decide on how much to be given. That number doesn't mean that that is fixed and that's it. We cannot go beyond it, is what that it means.
One last question, ma'am. Paltano Dorkar, BJP Sarkar, continue. You are saying.
You saw that?
So, yes, we have saw.
I have not even said anything.
What do you want to say? Will BJP come into the majority? Will change happen in the Bengal? What do you want to say?
Bengal, people want that change. People want that change, and very clearly they're saying it. So even in my broken Bengali, when I said it, you saw there was an overwhelming response from men and women. So that's the voice of the people.
সেসব বাইরে
আচ্ছা স্যার নাও
ক্যারি অন এনআইতে বেরোলে আবার জিরো হয়ে যাবে আপনার ক্লিপিংস আমার চাই ক্লিপিংসটা চাই এক নম্বর ले लेता हूं क्लिपिंग्स সেসব বাইরে
আচ্ছা স্যার নাও
ক্যারি অন এনআইতে বেরোলে আবার জিরো হয়ে যাবে আপনার ক্লিপিংস আমার চাই क्लिपिंग्स चाहिए
हाँ
मैं आपका नंबर ले लेता हूँ क्लिपिंग्स